我哋今日嚟一個酒店嘅迷你開箱團啦。呢一間酒店係沖繩南部一間最新嘅酒店，係今年2022年7月尾先至開嘅啫。呢度係呢間酒店咧，話自己係沖繩咧擁有最大嘅泳池嘅酒店嚟嘅。首先，我哋睇下啲房先啦。
你唔好再 NG， 再 NG 冇晒我支可樂。
我頭先都想講。
呢度係大到黐線啊！見到我哋屋企喎，前面呢個島仔咧就我好中意嘅，嚟卡一嘅地方。睇下啲乜嘢洗衣機先，一部洗衣機乾濕輪用嗰啲，價錢就係咁樣樣啦，都算合理啊。到啦。咩樣嘅先？廁所啦 ，standard 嘅洗手盆啦，浴室花灑啦，飲品啦。大電視啦，
嗰個咧，嗰個滿一個桶跌水落嚟嘅，啲水倒落嚟嗰啲，你有試過？
真係好大喎泳池。
發現呢個咩？
呢間酒店有全沖繩最大嘅游泳池，有一個細路仔池啦。而沖繩唯一一間酒店裏邊咧，有一個河川泳池，帶住個水泡入去咧就會推住去喐，好爽嘅。仲有infinity pool啦，當然有。可惜今日個海唔靚啊！有陣時咧，呢度個海咧係玻璃咁嘅樣㗎。之前我喺度撐卡一，好靚好靚啊！
好勁晒咁耐，點解可以嘅？嚇？
唔知咯。泳池啦，呢個泳池超大，係呢間酒店嘅賣點。唔使去到恩納村咁遠，南部都有一間非常之正嘅酒店泳池resort。泳池都有幾個喎，喺沖繩南部唯一一個連住海灘嘅resort。最特別就係有其他酒店冇嘅溪流泳池，浮喺個水泡上邊，俾啲水擁住你，非常之舒服。呢個係沖繩酒店首創。
Something is behind him, but he doesn't see. Oops, he was caught by a killer wave, swimming in the sea, looking for fun like you and me. Something is behind him, but he doesn't see. Oops, he was caught by a whaling ship. Yep, he was caught by a whaling ship.
呢間酒店個賣點就係個泳池。通常有好多鋪個個都會搣收個煙多鋪，但係呢個煙多鋪係幾正㗎，點正法你哋自己去發現啦。睇完呢個小型開箱啦，咁呢間酒店咧就喺南澳一間新嘅 resort，佢個性價比咧我哋覺得係比恩納村嗰啲酒店更加高啦，價錢一啲都唔平，但係性價比咧相對係高啲㗎。嚟到嘅時候，大家考慮下呢間酒店啊！
如果你唔想嚟到先知道你想去嘅鋪頭已經執咗笠，咁就快啲訂閱我哋 OK Family，記得撳埋旁邊個鐘仔。